My name is Sam Bakuri. I'm a periodontist in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I have been doing surgeries for 20 years and I consistently see some kinds of patients we don't get a great outcome. So I decided to implement cellular microscope in my practice. It significantly improved the outcomes of surgery. I start seeing things that I haven't seen before during surgeries, and the patients are very happy. Communications with patients improve. We document our surgeries with photos, with videos, and I have been using this for my social media campaign, and it has been a great learning experience for me. Cellular microscope changed my practice, and I wish I got the microscope earlier, and this is my expert tip.